Looking for something fun to do? Check out what a day looks like spent in the creative studios at UE Gifts. Let's make some candles. UE's Creative Studios is all about having fun with friends. Get started by enjoying complimentary drinks. At UE, you can bring your container to pour into or choose something from our beautiful selection. We have over 40 different fragrances and essential oils to mix and match to create your very own unique scent. Now let's get ready to pour your candle. We mix our wax in-house so you get the perfect pour. While we prepare your container, don't forget to check out all the cool things we have that you can decorate your candle with. We have loads of glitter, petals, herbs, just to name a few. Mix your fragrance with the wax, stir and pour into your container. Decorate, and voila, a candle made for you by you. When looking for something fun, remember UE Gifts.